Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video I will be showing you how to award badges on part.Touched in Roblox Studio. So first go and create a badge. Go to the Create Roblox website. Go to your creations and choose a place to make the badge in. Press the three dots and create badge. Now upload any image and name your badge. Now press the three dots and copy assist ID. Open Roblox Studio. Then choose the place you made the badge in. Now add a part. Add a script to the part. Now I have the script here to put it in the part. Put your ID in front of the badge ID. I will also put the script in the description. Copy it all. And paste the script here. Now test it and touch the part. And it gave us the badge. And there you go guys, that was the tutorial to award badges on part.Touched in Roblox Studio. Also, if you have any suggestions, comment it, and if you have any problems, comment, and I will try my best to fix them for you. And thanks for watching guys. Bye!